All right. Thanks, everybody. Hey, I'm Jacob. I'm a dev advocate at MotherDuck. And I quickly want to introduce myself and how I found my way into the world of data warehousing. I actually began my career in accounting, and so I like to joke that I've always actually worked on data pipelines. They just, only ran once a month. And so now what we're doing at MotherDuck is letting you run that, more often, all the time, on larger and larger data sets. So let's take a look at the demo here. So again, what MotherDuck is it's a cloud data warehouse built on top of DuckDB, which is a kind of state-of-the-art embedded database. You can use it anywhere, and so I'm going to show that in the demo here. What we've done is we've taken that at MotherDuck, and we've put that in the cloud, made it multiplayer. And so what I'm showing here is just how easy it is to get started, right? I've installed the DuckDB locally, and I've connected to MotherDuck, right? Just with that MD : in my command line. Now, the problem I want to talk about is one that's near and dear to probably a lot of you here. I assume a lot of you are probably building on Postgres in the background, right? For managing state, managing users, things like that. A lot of times what you want to do is actually serve some of that data back to your users, and maybe in some analytics. And it's kind of slow. So you can see I have a query here running. I'm looking at the top domains in the Hacker News data set. It's like a few million rows, and it's running on Postgres. OK, let's speed it up maybe a little bit. OK, great. I had to speed up the video there. It was a little too slow. And let's go. OK, there we go. So it takes 2 minutes to run that query on Postgres. If I take that same data set and I pull that into MotherDuck, it takes about a minute to load maybe initially, but then we run it and we get back instant results. Okay, so that's something that just works today. You can run it, and just to give you a sense for how big this data set is, here's a query, running a count on it. Again, this is instant in MotherDuck. The count on this table takes, I think, about 90 seconds in Postgres. So, and also you can't index that column, which is very helpful too. You have to get an extension in place. So that's the first part of it. The second part I want to talk about is, like, I just showed you how fast it is, but also other people can show you how fast it is, right? So what I have here is the ClickBench benchmark, which is looking at a data set here. And even against a well-optimized Postgres database, we see roughly a 30x improvement in performance. And it's very easy just to seamlessly add it on top. So the last thing I want to talk about is, of course, a data warehouse only works as well as all the integrations. You've got to bring a bunch of pieces together to kind of make it all work. And so we have a ton of integration partners. There's a pretty rich ecosystem to make these players all fit together. And so I'm super, super excited about seeing what you all are building, and I hope that MotherDuck can be a part of that package. Lastly, while I have you here, we are hiring. We are looking for people here in Seattle. So if you're doing anything around platform engineering, you love databases, we're hiring for those roles. And thanks, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.